Welcome to Sunny Homes. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for an apartment near my new office.
Of course. Is this your first time looking for a place?
Yes, it is. This is my first time living alone.
Don't worry. I'll guide you through everything step by step.
Thank you. I'm excited, but I'm also a little nervous.
That's totally normal. Let's find a place that suits you well.
That sounds great. I'd really appreciate your help.
What kind of apartment are you looking for?
I'd like a one-bedroom apartment, if possible.
Do you have a budget in mind?
Yes. My budget is up to 80,000 yen a month.
I see. How close would you like to be to the station?
Within 10 minutes on foot would be ideal.
Are there any other important conditions?
Yes. I want a bright room with a separate bathroom and toilet.
How about security features?
I'd like a safe building with an auto-lock entrance if possible.
Great. That gives me a clear picture of what you want.
I'm glad. I hope I'm not asking for too much.
Your requests are reasonable, but meeting all of them may be difficult.
I understand. If I have to choose, what should I prioritize?
That depends on your lifestyle. What matters most to you?
Safety is my top priority. I want to feel secure at home.
That makes sense. What comes next after safety?
Sunlight. I really want a room that feels bright and cheerful.
Can you be a little flexible about the distance from the station?
Yes. I can walk farther if the area is nice and safe.
That helps a lot. I have a few good options for you.
Really? I'd love to hear about them.
Let me show you 2 apartments that match your needs.
Perfect. I'm ready.
The first apartment is only 5 minutes from the station.
That's very convenient. Is it a newer building?
Yes, it was built 3 years ago.
Oh, that already sounds nice.
It has an auto-lock entrance, a delivery box, and a modern kitchen.
I like the sound of that. How big is the apartment?
It's compact, but the layout uses the space efficiently.
And how much is the rent?
It's 86,000 yen per month.
Oh, that's a little over my budget.
Yes, but it offers excellent convenience and security.
I see. It's attractive, but I'd like to compare another option.
The second apartment is 13 minutes from the station on foot.
That's a bit farther, but it may still be okay.
The rent is 78,000 yen, so it's within your budget.
That's good. What are the best features of this one?
It faces south, so it gets plenty of sunlight all day.
I really like bright rooms. That sounds promising.
It is also larger than the first apartment.
That's a big plus for me. Are there any drawbacks?
Yes, there is no elevator, and the room is on the 3rd floor.
I see. Carrying heavy things might be difficult.
That's true, but many people choose it for the sunlight and space.
I'm interested. Can I see the apartment in person?
Of course, we can go see it right now if you like.
Really? That would be wonderful.
Please give me a moment to prepare the keys and documents.
Sure. I'll wait here.
All set. We'll go by car, and it will take about 10 minutes.
Great. I'd also like to know about the neighborhood.
There is a supermarket, a convenience store, and a clinic nearby.
That sounds convenient for daily life.
There's also a small park and a gym within walking distance.
Nice. I've been wanting to start exercising again.
Then, this area may suit your lifestyle very well.
I'm getting more excited now.
Here we are. This is the entrance to the building.
The exterior looks clean and well maintained.
Yes, it's older than the first building, but it's in good condition.
Let's go inside.
This is the apartment. Please take your time and look around.
Oh, it feels bigger than I expected.
The layout is simple, so it's easy to arrange furniture.
I can imagine where my bed and desk would go.
This closet is deep, so you can store many clothes and boxes.
That's helpful. I have more clothes than I should admit.
The air conditioner and ceiling lights are already installed.
That saves money when moving in. I like that.
Let me show you the kitchen next.
It's simple, but it looks easy to use.
There are 2 burners and enough counter space for cooking.
That's good. I cook at home fairly often.
Here is the bathroom, and the toilet is separate.
Perfect. That was one of my must-have conditions.
Now, please take a look at the balcony.
Oh, wow. It's so bright out here.
Because it faces south, you get sunlight for most of the day.
I love that, and I can see a little park from here.
Yes, the neighborhood is quiet and peaceful.
I can really picture myself living here.
I'm glad you like it. Is there anything you want to check carefully?
Actually, I think I heard a train a minute ago.
Yes, the train line is nearby.
Is it noisy all day?
Not really. It's mostly noticeable during the morning and evening rush hours.
I see. What about at night?
At night, it is quieter, and the windows block much of the sound.
That's reassuring. May I try closing the window?
Of course. Go ahead.
Yes, it's much quieter now. I think I could live with this.
That's good to hear. It's best to check these things in person.
I agree. I'm glad we came.
Shall we go back to the office and talk about the costs?
Yes, please. I'd like to know the total initial cost.
The deposit is 1 month's rent, and the key money is also 1 month's rent.
Okay. Are there any other fees?
Yes, there is an agency fee, fire insurance, and a lock exchange fee.
I didn't realize there were so many different costs.
Many first-time renters are surprised.
About how much will it be in total?
It will be roughly 320,000 yen.
That's a lot, but at least I know what to prepare.
If you'd like, I can print a detailed estimate for you.
Yes, please. That would be very helpful.
After seeing the apartment, How do you feel about it?
I liked it a lot. The sunlight and space were exactly what I wanted.
That's wonderful. Are you thinking of applying for it?
Yes, I'd like to apply for this apartment.
Great. Please fill out this application form first.
Sure. What documents do I need?
We need your ID, proof of income, and emergency contact information.
I have my ID, and I can send the other documents later today.
Perfect. The screening process usually takes a few days.
I see. If everything goes well, when can I move in?
If approved quickly, you may be able to move in next month.
That would be perfect for my new job.
Let's review some useful expressions from today.
Yes, that would be great.
I'm looking for an apartment.
I'm looking for an apartment.
My budget is up to 80,000 yen.
My budget is up to 80,000 yen.
I'd like a place near the station.
I'd like a place near the station.
Can I see the apartment today?
Can I see the apartment today?
How much is the initial cost?
How much is the initial cost?
I'd like to apply for this apartment.
I'd like to apply for this apartment.
Excellent. These phrases are very useful when apartment hunting.
Yes, I feel much more confident now.
Thank you for coming in today.
Thank you for all your help. You were very kind.
It was my pleasure. I'll contact you when the screening is complete.
Great. I'll wait for your message.
I hope this apartment begins a wonderful new chapter for you.
Thank you. I'm really excited about my new life now.
Take care and have a lovely day.
You too. See you again soon.